नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं राजकुमार कोटारे आज आप सभी के लिए कुछ नया लेकर आया हूँ। देखते हैं क्या है। आप सभी देखेंगे कि मैं एक हॉस्पिटल के पीछे खड़ा हूँ, नहीं हॉस्पिटल के सामने खड़ा हूँ। आप देख रहे होंगे कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूँ। आप लोग देख रहे होंगे कि मैं इस देश को क्या देने वाला हूँ। मैंने हेल्थ ही सबसे पहले क्यों चुना, इसके पीछे सिर्फ एक राज ये है कि हेल्थ इज़ मनी। If you have a good health, then you can do everything in your life. If you have your family, because health is your family firstly. If you are good in health, then you can do everything in your life. You can get everything in your life. You can make possible thing in your life. You can get everything, because if you don't have a good health, then you can't go beyond the limit, then you can't cross the limit, then you can't get anything, because life is health. If your health is working condition, then you can do what is going on in your life. You can make possible it. You can do all the things which are needed to fulfill your requirements. That means if you are good in health, then you will be called as a mentally fit person and physically fit person, because health is wealth. It is said by our ancestor. I don't know who said this quote, but health is wealth, and health is the life of pi, because it learns everything. It will make your decision good. It will do all the things which are needed to fulfill your dreams. You can follow all your dreams, but firstly you will have to work on it. Firstly you will have to take a good route. You will have to work on your health, by which you can take good and healthy food. Don't take fried food, but take salad in morning, and also take a little bit of curd. That means if you are good in health, then you can make a proper decision in a proper time, because it is said if you want to be a officer, that so firstly you will have to keep your mind on health, and then second thing is education. So education is the base of this world. If you want to make a good and healthy, so firstly you will have to work on your education also, because education is the king of money. If you want to get that Saraswati and Lakshmi, so firstly you will have to work on your mind, because mindset is that thing by which you can do everything in your life. Mindset changes by your education. If you have not a good education, then you can't understand anything. You can't improve your mentality. You can't improve your level, because it is said if you are good in education, then you can give your education, because education is the base of my world. Not only my world, you can give everything in your life, because education is the base of everything. Education is that profession by which you can create everything in your life. You can do everything in your life. So I want to say only in this thing, that education by which we can find everything in our life. If you want to be on the peak point of the world, so firstly you will have to work on your mindset. You will have to improve your mentality. You will have to work on your mindset, for your family, for your state, for your career, for your life, for your country, and for your universe, because life is not a pie. It is definitely pie, because this says that your mindset should be work as a mathematician. Firstly you'll have to learn as a good burner. You'll have to work on your health and education, and third thing is saf safai, or your uh, that means saf safai, what can we call it, I don't know, but yes, if you are not neat and clean by your health, if you are not neat and clean by your dress, if you are not neat and clean by your work, then you can't get anything, because it will give you everything in your life. But firstly you'll have to work on it, you'll have to spend money, but in a proper situation, in a proper circumstances, because you'll have to improve yourself. A person who make mistake, then there is no problem. But if a person repeat his mistakes again and again, then one day he will definitely go down. Are you getting my point? If you want to improve yourself, then firstly you will have to work on your health, on your health and your education, and also you will have to work for the people, because a person who always keep a mentality for as a giver, as a donator, then you can get everything in your life. If I thought that a lot of people are watching me, then I can't do anything. If I say that I will have to work for the people, then I can get all the things. Why my mentality is like this? Why my mentality is as a lion, as a eagle? Because I know who am I. I know how to express myself in front of the people. I know how to work according to the people's mentality. I know how to work as a social worker. I don't work on I don't work for profit. I work for people. I work for those poor people who always were in problem, but they don't know how to solve that problem. That's a problem. Therefore I will have to come in front of the people, and I'll have to start I have to I started my work for the people. Therefore I had to become good. I had to become a social worker. That's the point here. I don't have any moment for my life, but I know who am I. My father and my grandfather was a social worker. Therefore in my blood I have to come in front of the people for the people, because these all are mine people. These all are my relatives, because these all are Indians, and this is my country. If I don't start my work, then I can't do anything. That's the point here. If you are good for health, if in health, if you are good for the people, if you have a good behavior for the people, if your mentality is good for people, that means your helping nature shows everything. If you want to become a broad minded person, so firstly try to help for the people, try to help those people who are required, work for those people who are uneducated, work for the people who are facing the problem, but they don't know how to solve the problem. Try to give them solution for the problem, because problem is nothing, but if you don't have that mentality, then you can't get anything, because you will have to work on it. Are you getting my point? If I get any mistake, I prepared any I did any mistake, so please comment in comment box, because I want to know what was my mistake. I don't have any time to edit my videos. Therefore I am starting this video uploading system. Otherwise I had no time, but I'll have to work for those people who are poor. Therefore I prepared my platform. I am preparing, and also uploading my videos on YouTube, because I can't be I can't be rich. Uh, all those people who are required. If I am able to help all those person who are needy, then I want to help them. But firstly, I'll have to to reach to the people. So I'll have to start. That means I will have to start myself. I will have to take initiative for the people. That's the point here. If I don't start, then I can't get anything. But I'm not working for the profit. I'm working for the people. Therefore I have a mind. Therefore I have that mentality. My working condition is not good, but my mentality is more than good. My mentality is for the people, for my Hind, for my universe, for my country, for my con- continent. That's the point here. I'm Indian. I'm proud of you. For I'm also an NCC. I'm also a NCC cadet. I'm also a Corona fighter. I'm also a physiotherapist. I'm also a poet. I'm also a philosopher. Why? From where I got this? That's the point. My heart was for the people. Therefore, these all the qualities have come in me. That's the point. If you got a good point, so please comment and write on a comment. If you want to ask me something, if you want to put up your questions for me, so please contact me on 8085839565. If you think that this person is working well for the people, so please try to subscribe, comment, share and like, and also try to share this video, because I started. But if you are not contributing for this country, then I can't get anything. We can't I can't do on the on that motto which is called I in V. I want to make I want to do formula which says I is equal to V. मतलब दोस्तों, मैं ये बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि हम लोग मैं में विश्वास ना करते हुए मैं को हम बनाएं। अगर हम एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं तो हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और चैनल में कमेंट करके जय हिंद ज़रूर लिखें, क्योंकि इससे मेरा नहीं मेरे देश का सम्मान बढ़ेगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।